Alright you guys, welcome, and today is going to be the best day to be a subscriber of my channel. So far I'm going to have a crap ton of videos today. First off, we're going to start with this baby right here, The Dark Knight Rises, Target exclusive Digibook. And look how thick this baby is. Oh yeah, and it's lenticular. You got Batman right there, Bane right here. Yeah. It includes The Dark Knight Rises prologue and comic book from Target. So on the back, oops, let me back up a little bit. There we go. On the back you have over 3 hours of bonus features, including The Dark Knight Rises prologue comic book, the Batmobile. Witness all 5 Batmobiles together for the first time in history. Dive deep into every aspect of the most awe-inspiring weapon in Batman's arsenal as you journey through the birth of evolution of his technological marvel and cultural icon. Ending the night. A comparison look into how director Christopher Nolan and his production team made The Dark Knight Rises the epic conclusion to the Dark Knight legend, and much more. Get the Dark Knight Rises app, and then the Ultraviolet, and it's made by Warner Brothers. Blu-ray disc, and it's PG-13. It is 2 hours and 45 minutes, as you can see right here. It doesn't say which region it is. It's probably region free, if I'm not mistaken, because usually if they don't have A, B, or C, or one or the other, it could be region free. So yeah, let's be careful how I cut this baby here. By now you probably watched the out and abouts, so you know what all I picked up. So if you take the sleeve off, then you have the regular Digibook. On the back of this baby is the Batman symbol and the credits. But damn, this baby looks sweet. Well, let's open this baby up. There you have Dark Knight Rises Blu-ray disc. Batman standing on top of the police car. That is just great. Oh, The Dark Knight Rises prologue. I love this shot. I do. Bane right here. Batman's supposed to be on this side with the cops and stuff. Writer Joshua Williamson, artist George something. Here's some comic art. I got like a little mini comic book in here as well with it. I thought it was going to be like separate, but they put it inside the Digibook. That's pretty sweet. You have to do right here from 12 rounds. I remember him at the beginning of the movie, and he's taking the mask off his face. I mean, the thing off his face. So now you know who he was. He was also the villain in 12 rounds with John Cena. Look at this shit. Oh yeah. That is awesome. I got a comic book. That's just great. I went to 2 different Best Buys. I thought I was going to have to go to 2 different Targets, but the Target had all I needed, including this, so that was real great. Didn't have this. It saved me time, basically. So far, the whole comic book is all the airplane scene from the beginning of the film. I love this version of Bane. Not that Mexican luchador from the cartoon series and the movies, the old movies. Yeah, extras. I like this bat wing or whatever they call it in this movie. Batman and Catwoman. Oh, Batman and Catwoman's escape to the Bat. There we go, the Bat. That's what it's called. From a rooftop encounter with Bane's men. And the Bat Pod over here. Oops. The Bat Pod and returns in The Dark Knight Rises and is used not only by Batman but also Catwoman in the film. Yes, we know that. Photograph of a concept model for the underground prison featured in the film. Concept art for the underground prison. Costume design. Oops. Design for Bane by costume designer Lindy Hemming. Sports stadium. Concept art showing the aftermath of the attack on Gotham Stadium by Bane. And over here is just a plain, like, rainy after night. And look at this shot right here. Damn. I will unbox the steelbook as well. And here's Bane on top of the tumbler. And then you have the special features, Blu-ray disc. Oops. And you have the DVD. You take this out, and there's the rest of the artwork back there. Yeah. Oh, I can't wait to pop this bad boy in. But I'm not done yet, so it'll probably be like an hour before I do. And then over here, you have the ultraviolet digital copy and some unlock exclusive content with the free Dark Knight Rises app or visual effects app. So yeah, so that's just my unboxing of The Dark Knight Rises on Blu-ray Digibook that I got from Target. Let me know what you think about this edition. I have more steelbooks to come and even an unboxing of a Disney film. So yeah, see you in a minute.